Azure is so broad, there's between I think 800 and 1,000 services, so it's hard to really wrap it around just one thing. We basically try to take it and custom fit it for what those customers' needs are.
We need to go and talk to our customers about how we get everything that's sitting in Azure and we turn it into a solution. And so we need to bundle and we need to make it simplistic for our customers to understand the business value.
If you go to a customer and say, hey, you guys need to move to Azure because Azure does everything, you're not going to get anywhere. If you go to a customer and say, hey, you need to move your enterprise vault, your online archives to Azure because X, Y, and Z, that's when you get the customer's idea. That's when you get their thought. They're going to actually invest in you because you've taken the time to figure out the hard part for them.
Azure in itself is not really a service, right? It's what you can do with Azure that is the service. And so I think sometimes there's a little bit of re-education you have to do, because managed services providers are not selling Azure. They're selling a workload or an application that sits on top of Azure.
So I would say step number one would be really understanding how you want to create that business model. Because ultimately that's what we're trying to do, right? It's that business drives technology, not the other way around.